the result of the bake, a single, seamless barrel of fuselage. Unlike traditional planes held together by
The central wing box, the heart of the plane. Massive titanium fittings are used to bolt the composite wings to the
quick cuts. The global puzzle. A wing from Japan on a ship. A tail.
Macro, the chevrons. We focus on the sawtooth-shaped edges of the engine cowling. These triangular teeth mix the hot and cold.
Each blade is a work of art made from carbon fiber with a thin titanium leading edge. They curve like scimitars, designed for maximum air intake.
As it rotates, the composite wings flex upward into their beautiful, aerodynamic curve. It lifts
There are no thousands of rivets like on older planes. The surface is aerodynamically perfect, reducing drag and saving fuel.
Tumults. The weight revolution. On the left, a piece of aircraft-grade aluminum. On the right, a carbon fiber piece of the same size. The more electric plane. Unlike older planes that use heavy hydraulic fluid, the 787 uses electric actuators. The massive multi-wheel landing gear. built from high-strength titanium and steel to support the 500,000 weight of the fully loaded Dreamliner.
The 787 accelerates down the runway, its silhouette perfect against a massive setting sun. As
How's the fuselage holding up at minus 40?
Seems stable, no signs of cracking on the composite skin.
The desert test. Under a 50 Sapere Celsius Celsius Ethiopia, heat.
The air quality. We see the 787's HEPA filtration system. 99.9% accurate.
$50, $40, $30, $20, retard, $10.
Gear up.
Fueling the beast. The heavy fuel nozzle locks into the wing port with a solid mechanical click. Thousands of pounds of fuel are
The Great Connector. The 787 Dreamliner cruises over the Pacific Ocean. Thanks to its composite fuel efficiency,
Pure air. A visualization of the HEPA filtration system. It captures 99.97%.
Green power. The 787 is fueled with sustainable aviation fuel feed. This aircraft is designed to reduce CO2.
This advanced material can handle temperatures that would melt steel, providing consistent stopping power.
The 787 isn't just a passenger plane. It's a vital artery for global trade and medicine.
Checklist complete. Delta 42 requesting final clearance.
Taxi into position and hold. Winds 280 at 15.
The digital plane. No more heavy paper manuals. An engineer plugs in a rugged tablet and uploads the latest navigation. This aircraft has changed the economics of aviation, making long-haul travel accessible to millions more people.